What's up, guys, and thank you so much for tuning into another video of As Always Aleia, where we always keep it real. Now, guys, in this video, I'm so happy to be showing it to you guys because we will be doing a wash and go set with the one and only CURLDAZE products. Okay, guys, you have heard me correctly. First of all, this is the final look. Let me just come on here right now and let you guys know how poppin' these products actually are. I cannot wait for you guys to see the whole video of me using the products, talking a little bit more about the CURLDAZE products as well, and then you will see how I transform my hair. Like, it was dry, honey, it needed a good wash and scrub, and the CURLDAZE products got me right, y'all. So in this video, you're going to see me doing my hair with the CURLDAZE products, and then I'll come on back at the end to talk a little bit more about them and show you guys my fabulous curls. I am so happy. Every time I use CURLDAZE, they like never fail me, man. They will never fail you. So definitely go ahead and check them out. I do have here the CURLDAZE. This is their Ultra Moisture Cream. Guys, they also even have the Creamy Curl Styler. And this is also from CURLDAZE in her collection. I love how everything just looks so bright and colorful. The products is like, they just look like they're going to work. You know what I'm saying? And then the last thing that she has is the Curl Glossy Shine Gel. This is the main event. This is what is going to transform your hair. So if you don't get anything else from the CURLDAZE collection, just get the gel and you will see the wonders that it works. I mean, my hair sometimes is extremely hard to get me some good definition and some good hold, but the CURLDAZE products never fail me, so definitely check them out, guys. Let's go ahead and hop on to the next clip so I can just hop right into this. You're gonna see me applying this to freshly washed hair. Let's get this wash and go popping. Alright, guys, so I am out of the shower and I'm ready to go ahead and start the process with the CURLDAZE products, guys. But let me just tell you what I did use in the shower really quickly. I went in with the Tropical Moringa from the Main Choice. This is their shampoo and their leave-in or rinse-out conditioner. So I did use these products right here. And guys, for my deep conditioner, I did use the Tropical Moringa mask from the line as well. But I added in my secret weapon, and that's the henna and aloe mask from Curly Proverbs. Y'all, I have been loving this stuff. I reviewed it on my channel a few months back, and ever since then I have just been using this product like a lot, y'all. Just take one little tablespoon, add it to my mixture with my mask, and I'm all set to go for the shower. I really like this product because when I rinse my hair out, I really feel as though it's stronger. I don't have a lot of fallout as if I would if I didn't use the product. So I encourage you guys solely to use the henna and aloe mask. It does nothing but strengthen your hair. So I encourage you to go ahead and buy it, and I'll have her website linked below where you can try it, and also the video that I did when I reviewed this product as well. Not only that, we'll also be using her signature comb. This is the Curl Creator right here. You can find this brush right on her website. It is so well designed. I really haven't seen a brush like this before, and might I add, it works really well when I use it in my hair. So some parts of my hair are curlier than others, and this works really well to enhance all my curls. So those are the products that we'll be using today and the tools. We're going to be doing a simple wash and go, and I'm going to be doing some finger coils today to see if we can get the ultimate curl definition that we're looking for with these products. So guys, without further ado, sit back, relax, and watch these products go to action. Alright, so guys, my hair is finally complete. I did do the finger coiling method, so it did take a little bit longer than I would have liked. I just finished this side, so it's not going to be as coily or as dry as this side, which I completed maybe roughly 30 minutes ago. So I am going to go ahead and just allow this to fully dry. I think I'm just going to do it air dry, because sometimes if I use heat, it does get a little poofy and less defined. So I'm just going to allow the air to dry it, and then I'll be back to show you guys the final results in the morning. Alright guys, hang in there with me, and if you like what you see so far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share. What's up guys? So I am back, and y'all, my hair is finally dry. I did let it go ahead and air dry overnight when I was done applying the CURLDAZE products, and I am so happy with my results. Tell the camera to get up in there, see those pretty curls. Guys, I am learning to master my wash and go, and I think the CURLDAZE products are certainly helping me out. I know that this hairstyle is going to last me a really long time, just because the curls are so defined and so moisturized. The number one thing that I love about the CURLDAZE products is certainly that it is infused with cocoa oil. I believe that Robin says that cocoa oil is native to Hawaii, but don't quote me on that. But girl, if it is, I'm gonna have to take me a trip down there, because my hair loves cocoa oil and how these products are certainly formulated. I definitely encourage you guys to go and try the CURLDAZE products. I do have a discount code, and I'll have it linked below in the description if you guys want to go and check them out at the discounted rate. I got y'all. But y'all, these products right here, you have a creamy styler and a moisturizing cream, and then you have like the holy grail, which is the gel, y'all, and this is the Glossy Shine Gel. Absolutely fell in love, not to mention that it smells absolutely amazing. So I definitely encourage you guys to go out and try this product. Again, I'll have everything linked below if you want to see it. But y'all, I really do hope that you liked the curls and all the video that you saw me applying the product and talking just a little bit more about CURLDAZE, to encourage you guys to go out and try these products. I really hope that you do. And guys, if you did like this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Y'all, we are popping over here. And don't forget to like and share the video with your friends and family as well, so you can spread the word about the CURLDAZE products. Make sure you guys are following me on my Instagram and the CURLDAZE Instagram as well, so you can get updates about if they're having discounts, new sales, or new product releases as well. But guys, without further ado, I am going to let you guys go. My name is Aleia. This is As Always Aleia, where we always keep it real. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.